there was one time where I took Char out, and then I noticed a cat just slowly coming in through the gates, and I'm like, oh my gosh, like what's going on? Char and her just went up to each other face to face. It was so weird, but super cute. The cat gave her a little smack on the head, and then they just became besties.
Is that your friend? Who invited her over?
Miss Kitty, the feral cat, but she followed me in and just took a whole tour of the apartment. And Charlotte was in her little playpen, and she was kind of looking at me, and I was like, you can't just invite all your friends over without asking me. But she was just looking at me like, well, what are you gonna do? Miss Kitty just kind of made herself at home. When I go and try and get her sometimes, it's like, nope, I like my free life. She knows the whole complex. She has her spots that she goes to.
By the way, Miss Kitty, I found out where she is living, on a porch across the way. She has blankets and a bed and gets fed, and then she comes to us and gets fed, has a bed. She goes inside when weather's bad.
Now, Miss Kitty, I can hear her meowing outside of my door. She's waiting for Charlotte to go out there.
Miss Kitty's waiting for you. She saw us pull up and came out. Morning, Miss Kitty. You slept a little late today. Just living your best life. Everyone needs to get out of here. I don't know what's going on. Oh my gosh, can we wait to play? Oh, come on. Come on, you two. I know, you haven't seen your bestie all day. Come on.
They'll both walk over there, had their little playtime. You know, just like, what a life. The girl's like, you're my bestie, and you're nobody else's bestie. She's just lounging in a plant or digging in something. Gets to do whatever she wants. And I think it's funny, like, she plays little games, like, she'll hide, and then out of nowhere, she'll, like, jump out of the air. Even me, you know, I had an outlook like, oh no, cats, they're crazy. Animals really show us a lot. So just see it so genuinely form and then them really enjoy each other. It's really, really cute. We could all take a lesson. Her and Char, they'll roll around forever.
Oh, stop. They would do this all day.